Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Always practice drifting only on a closed course with proper permission and safety crew present. Public roads are illegal and dangerous for high-speed maneuvers. Enroll in 1 to 3 professional driving sessions with a certified instructor before attempting advanced car control, and wear approved helmets and harnesses supplied by the facility. Expect training costs typically between $0 and $0 per session for instructor-led track time, and verify that the course liability and insurance cover high-speed sideways maneuvers before you drive. Check that the Bmw M5 is in sound mechanical condition and that tires have manufacturer-recommended pressures before any performance driving. Brakes, steering, and suspension must be inspected by a qualified technician. Use a closed track with runoff, at least 50 acres, or a similarly large certified facility for repeated practice so mistakes have space. Install or verify safety gear, an approved harness, roll support or cage if required by the facility, and a functioning fire extinguisher on board, and never remove factory safety systems. Focus on smooth inputs, progressive steering, measured braking, and calibrated throttle control rather than abrupt tricks that risk loss of control. The emphasis must be control, not spectacle. Work with an instructor using progressive skill steps and objective feedback, not improvisation or peer pressure, and always stop if conditions or vehicle behavior become unpredictable. Document sessions with in-car telemetry and video to safely review technique and measure controlled improvements. And prioritize repairing any damage promptly rather than continue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.